Greece. I love Greece. Beautiful seafood, beautiful sea. It's stunning. And the Greeks really know how to dance. Today we're going to be doing a beautiful Greek dance. To start off with, as you can see, I've got a tin plate. You can also use a plastic or a paper plate here. I've also got white serviettes, which we're going to throw only when the music plays. So, let's pretend we're going to throw these serviettes like this. Lots of them. Like that. Good. Then we're going to take a step back. We're going to have our arms to the sides. And we're going to go. Step and kick and step and kick. Step and kick and stamp, stamp, stamp. Step and kick and step and kick. Step and kick and stamp, stamp, stamp. And the fun thing is that the music gets faster and faster and faster. Right at the end, I want you to crash your plate onto the floor. Let's go with the music. Are you ready?